Welcome, fitness enthusiasts, to the ultimate journey towards a healthier, fitter you. Today, we're diving into the essence of aerobic workouts for weight loss. Let's get started. Aerobic workouts are your secret weapon to burn fat, boost your metabolism, and feel amazing. Step 1. Cardiovascular bliss. Whether it's brisk walking, jogging, or cycling, cardio workouts elevate your heart rate and torch those calories. Step 2. Jumping jacks and high knees. These dynamic moves elevate your heart rate and engage major muscle groups for a total body burn. Step 3. Dance your way to fitness. Aerobic dance routines make exercise fun. Groove to the beat while burning calories. Step 4. High-intensity interval training. HIIT. Blast fat with short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. It's efficient and effective. Step 5. Cool down and stretch. After your workout, stretch to improve flexibility and reduce muscle soreness. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 150 minutes of aerobic exercise per week to achieve your weight loss goals. So, there you have it, the essence of aerobic workouts for weight loss. Start today and watch your body transform. Like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips on your journey to a healthier lifestyle.